So you're probably brand new to Forex, you're browsing the internet right now, you're looking for a strategy that is both simple to learn, easy to use, and of course is profitable when it comes to trading in the market. Today I'm going to be showing you guys an indicator that I used as a beginner and that I still use today that's made me a lot of money, and it works for both scalping in the Forex market and also trading binary options. So with that being said, hope you enjoy. Let's get into it. What's going on, guys? It's your boy RockStarr here at RockStarrFX, bringing you guys yet another video, another tutorial. And today we're going to be talking about one of my favorite, I don't know if you want to call it a strategy, but one of my favorite indicators to use when scalping in the Forex market as well as trading binary options. Now recently I've been doing a lot of trading with binary options. I've been absolutely crushing it. It's super easy, it's super fast. And I just honestly I fell in love with it. But this is an indicator that I started using when I first started trading Forex, and I now brought this same indicator to trading binary options along with other indicators. Guys, understand that when you're trading, okay, you want to be able to have multiple confirmations, and the best way to have multiple confirmations is to have a trading plan and an actual strategy that you guys have put in place, and that's where indicators come in. I use multiple indicators, but this is just one of the many indicators that I use. And the reason why I'm doing this video is because I know there's a lot of people out there that are brand new to the markets that get super confused, and one of the main questions I get all the time is, how do I know when to get into a trade? How do I know when to get out of a trade? So on and so forth. And this is an indicator that has been very consistent for me, very profitable for me. Combine it with other indicators, but it also can be used by itself and has the potential to make you guys some money. Especially if you practice with this, if you get to know your charts, if you're trading a specific pair and you understand your pair. It's a very popular indicator, and that indicator is the RSI, all right, the relative strength index. Okay, now the RSI is just an indicator that pretty much just tells you the direction of the market, the strength of the markets, and how the markets are moving, both now and in the past. All right, so we're gonna go ahead, we're gonna go to the indicators, okay, tab. Now right here I'm using tradingview.com. all right, if you guys are using your broker, once again, you're just going to load up the indicators. If you're on MetaTrader 4, you're just going to load up the indicators, and if you're on TradingView, you're going to load up the indicators just pressing this indicators tab right here. Okay, now you're going to type in RSI, and the first thing you're going to see is relative strength index. You're going to go ahead, you're going to click that. Okay, and once you click that, you're good to go. All right, you are good to go. Now, as far as the RSI, okay, so my RSI just popped up, all right, and it's very simple. What you're gonna want to do is, now you can leave it at 14, all right, that's default right there, it's 14. I prefer personally to change it to 6, okay, so you could change it to 6, all right, and then once you change it to 6, you want to come over to style, okay, you want to make sure your bands are in the right location, all right, your levels. Okay, so you have the upper band and the lower band. Okay, you want to make the upper band, all right, I'm just going to change this. I don't know why this is orange. I usually have mine's blue, but this is in my account, so this is actually a default account. But you're going to change your upper bands to 70 and your lower bands to 30. All right, and what these two is pretty much just, the upper band is going to be when the market is getting into that overbought zone, okay, and the lower bands is pretty much when the market is getting into the oversold zone. Now, usually when you're pairing these with other indicators, there's different ways to actually use it, all right, as far as overbought and oversold, but I'm going to be showing you guys today a simple way of using the RSI when it comes to scalping in the markets and when it comes to trading binary options. Now, when I trade binaries, most of the time I'm on the 5-minute chart, so I'm going to go ahead and change that to 5 minutes for you guys. All right, we're going to zoom in a little bit more, all right, make it easier for you guys to see. All right, and we're going to jump right into it. So make it really simple. The goal is, okay, now that we have everything set up, we got our charts done, the goal is to make sure, all right, we just want to look at the RSI and see where the RSI is at, and whenever it crosses above the 70, we should be good to buy for a few minutes, and whenever it crosses below the 30, we should be good to sell for a few minutes. All right, now for those of you who are brand new, you're probably looking at my charts, you're wondering why it looks different. This is just my customizable chart, all right? You guys can change the color of your charts. The charts colors don't really matter right now, so don't focus on that. We're just going to talk about the indicator itself, and I'm going to show you examples, live examples of how consistent this actually is. So once again, we are on the 5-minute chart, all right? And what I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight, okay? So for example, let me zoom in a little bit more. For example, right here, we have a nice little area of overbought, okay? Nice little area overbought in this section, okay? So it's above the 70. Now remember what I said, when it's above the 70, we're good to what? We're good to buy for a few minutes, all right? Now, I have not pre-charted this at all. This is literally just me hopping on, and I'm just gonna be marking up randomly for you guys and showing you guys exactly how this works. So once again, that's just to show you how consistent and accurate this actually is. Once again, I have not pre-charted this at all. All right, so I'm just jumping on and I'm going to show you. So right here we have a nice little above the 70. So I'm going to come up here. I got my yellow down here so you guys can see that. I highlighted it. I'm going to put a nice red line right here, make it a little bit thicker so you guys can see. Once again, actually this one was good right here. Okay, and boom. All right, now this wasn't the best example for the first one, but understand you're not going to win 100% of the time. That is fine. All right, but we do have a nice little up. All right, a nice little up going on right here. So I'm going to go ahead and highlight that as well, just to show you guys. We're going to put the ups as greens and the downs as reds. All right, so boom. So we have a nice little upturn going for a couple minutes. That's what, 5, 10, 15, 20. For about 20 minutes, you could have got a few entries in there. If you were trading binaries, that probably would have looked good. Now let's move on over to the next one. All right, so the next one right here. All right, we have below the 30. All right, there we go. Boom. All right, cool. So now I'm gonna go ahead, put my red here, and then right here is when it started to come back. All right, so obviously when it starts to come back, I don't even risk it. I just stopped trading, but it started to come back right there in that area. So that's where I'm going to put it at. And obviously you guys see, what do we have? Market has gone down. All right, even if we do it right there like that. All right, so boom. So once again, we would have got a few wins right there on this. Now this is something that you guys can practice and get good at. That was a nice little sell. As you see, it went down. This one right here, nice buy. Obviously went up. Okay, going over to the next one right here. All right, I already have that there for you. Boom. Okay, boom. This one was really good. All right, so check it out. Hopefully you guys are following along. You guys are understanding what I'm saying here. But we had a nice little buy right there, right? Oops. All right. So as you guys see, okay, as you can see, very simple. And once again, this is a beginner strategy, a beginner technique, just to kind of get the flow of the markets and how to get in the trade, how to get out of the trade. This is not for you advanced people, so don't get on this video and try to troll or anything like that, because we all start somewhere, right? And I know this can help a lot of people. So as you guys see, once again, just to explain, we have this nice little area right here. Give me a second. This nice little area right here where the market did what? It crossed above our 70. Okay, when it crossed above the 70, we were good to buy for a few minutes, as I said. And if you're trading binary options, check this out. This is what, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25 minutes of trading. All right, 25 minutes of trading. Obviously, a lot of people trade on 1 minute positions, 3 minute positions, 5 minute positions, 10-minute positions. All right, that's very common when you're trading binary options. All right, and you have 25 minutes of right here, pretty much just being in the profit zone. All right, Look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 consistent candles of just straight bull candles. All right, 5 consistent bull candles after this crossed above that 70 mark. All right, so let's keep going. All right, let's keep going for the non-believers. Okay, I'm gonna give you another example right here. Okay. Oh, come on. There we go. Boom. So there's another example. I'm gonna change this to yellow. Keep it nice and color coordinated. All right. So we got a cross right here. Oops. All right. Right there. Same thing to over here. There you go. Obviously that's down. All right, so we got another one. This was actually the end of a period right here, so you see we got a nice little gap. All right, so that kind of throws it off a little bit. All right, this is that end of a period, so we got a nice little gap right there. Throws it off a little bit, but not too much. We're still winning, of course. All right, give you guys another example. All right, I'm pretty sure you guys get it by now. All right, I'm pretty sure you get it by now, and if not, you guys can always add me on Instagram, and feel free to ask me any questions. Ask me questions, or you can email me at RockStarrFX@gmail.com. And once again, ask me some questions. But here we go again, just to show you guys. All right, the RSI don't lie. All right, so above the 70. All right, this whole section was above the 70, and what do we have? Consistent bull candles. Okay. Look at that. So not once, all right, in this chart has this actually failed us. All right, not once has this little strategy technique actually failed us so far. So if we're looking at everything I just charted up, you guys see the consistency of when it's above the 70. Okay, look, got above the 70 here, went up. Okay, got above the 70 here, went up. Got below the 30 here, went down. Got above the 70 here, went up. Okay, and that's pretty much it. I mean, like I said, this was super simple, super simple to use. Very easy, especially like I said, when you're trading binary options. Think about the time frames that you guys are trading on. I know a lot of people do 1-minute positions when trading binaries. I know a lot of people do 3-minute positions when trading binaries. I know a lot of people do 5-minute positions trading binaries. And then you guys can see I'm on the 5-minute chart, so you guys have multiple candles, okay, where you guys are in profit just by using this RSI indicator. Super simple, super easy to use, consistent and profitable, and hopefully you guys enjoyed. And if you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Feel free to share it with anyone else that's getting into trading that you might know as well, and also hit that subscribe button, because I would definitely appreciate it. Until next time, guys, this is your boy Rockstar. Hopefully you enjoyed. I'm out. Peace. Hey, what's going on? It's your boy Rockstar again, and if you guys haven't done so already, make sure you go ahead and follow me on Instagram for some more content, behind the scenes, tips, tricks, and even giveaways that I'm going to be doing on my page, as well as if you guys are looking to get into trading, or if you have any questions about any of my videos that you watch, feel free to shoot me a DM. I try to get back to all of them as soon as possible, but my inbox is flooded, so be patient. All right, hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.